I learned the automatic street lights. So when it's darkness, the the resistance of this LDR will be high. So when it's darkness, the LED will turn on, and when it's daytime, when lightness is there, the resistance will be low, so the LED won't turn on.
Hello, sir. Yeah, I am making a project that, according to the distance between an object and the ultrasonic sensor, a specific LED will light up. For example, yeah. Look, if the distance is smaller than 10, if the distance is smaller than 10, then the red LED will light up. If the distance is greater than 10 but smaller than 50, then the yellow LED will light up. And if the if the distance is greater than 50 all of these units are in centimeters. So if the distance is greater than 50 centimeters, then the blue LED will light up. Let me show you. See, red, yellow, and then very far comes blue.
I'm making a police siren alarm. In this, I have used a 555 timer, two 555 timer ICs, one speaker, and some capacitors and some resistors with following jumper wires. And this is working on a stable mode. And this works like today in my advanced sensors class, we learned to use the card detector. This is the correct card and this is my friend's card. So, okay, I'll just open serial monitor. This is the code I use. RFID card. So then this is the wrong card, you can see because it's indicated blue. When I do that, the buzzer will come on and it will show access denied and the UID tag. This is the correct card. The buzzer will go short and it will show authorized ID. This is the wrong tag. Again, it will do that. And if I use my tag also, it will work the same.
I'm learning advanced sensors today. This is the code I've made with RFID cards. So this is the RFID sensor. This is the Arduino. It's connected to the laptop. The code is uploaded in it. And whenever I take a card and when I put it on it, it tells me if the ID has access or not. Here, this card does not have access. But when I put this, so this card has access, so it shows authorized access, and even it also works with tag. So when you put the tag, it also says authorized access.
Today we learnt about push button. So it can control like whether the LED is on or off. So when I connect the battery, first this is a traffic light LED signal. So first when I put the battery, the red light will be on. When I press the first push button, the yellow light comes on. When I push the second one, the green light comes on.
I was doing a code of the radar. Here if any obstacle is 30 centimeters away from the sensor, it will start. The buzzer will start beeping, which is placed here. The buzzer will start beeping, and when it's far away, it will stop beeping.
today I'm doing some a project with a card reader. So if this card is authorized, like if it gets access, it will print the UID here and it will give that authorized access. If it's denied, then a buzzer rings and it shows like that.
Everyone, my name is Amnish. So today I have done this RGB circuit. So if I don't move it, you can see it is cyan color. If I move up, then it will become blue, but brightness is high. If I move it down, it is green, but brightness is low. If I move it left, this is blue, but brightness is low. If I move it left, the brightness is high in green. If I press it, it became red and turned quickly to cyan. Mixed with red.